Welcome to Havan, the world's first luxury estate that was designed specifically for hosting transformational and wellness retreats and events. It's located here in beautiful Austin, Texas. The house is 12,000 square feet. It's got 11 bedrooms, 11 and a half bathrooms. We can sleep up to 35 people. We've got a 900 square foot workspace, main room with beautiful views, a front of house kitchen, back of house kitchen. Plus we've got an incredible outdoor with 360-degree views of the Texas Hill Country, pool, hot tub, sauna, cold plunge, and I'm going to show you all of it. So around the property, we've got some beautiful art that was created by our artists in residences. We've got these incredible prints here by the artist John Ching. And right behind me, we've got our main workspace. So this space is 900 square feet. It's hardwood floors, we've got big windows and beautiful views on both sides, and everything was designed to be flexible. So you can move all this furniture, take it all out, we can set up yoga mats, we can sit up to 40 people in a circle on back jacks. We've got DJ equipment and speakers available for rent for dancing and events like that. You really can do pretty much anything here. And we designed it specifically for that, so that you as a facilitator, as a host, as a person who wants to get people that you love together, has a blank canvas to create whatever type of experience you want. So we've got one dining space over here. We've got another dining space over here. Altogether, we can seat about 20 people to eat inside. We've got seats for another 12 to 15 to sit outside. We've got lots of outdoor lounge chairs and different elements like that, but we do have dining chairs for about 40 people. And then this is our front of house kitchen here. So this is the pretty front-facing kitchen. We've got 2 dishwashers, nice big fridge, but we also have a back of house kitchen. So that's over here, and that's really nice for events and retreats because the chefs can be back here, they can make noise, they can make a mess, and we can tuck it all away behind the closed door. They've got another big commercial fridge as well. Right down this hallway, we've got our half bath. Right next door, we have a nice big media room where you can get cozy and watch movies. It's also sound insulated, so it's perfect for recording podcasts or doing sound healings. Then down this way, we've got our first bedroom that I'll show you. All of our bedrooms are set up with the furniture so that the beds can be split apart into 2 twin XL beds or put together into a king bed. So it's perfect for couples or singles, however you want to set it up. And then here in the bathroom, we've got double sinks, we've got a nice big soaking tub, we've got double shower heads. And then of course this room has beautiful view out to the pool and the Texas Hill Country beyond. And come this way, I'm going to show you the primary bedroom next, which has some of the best views in the house, I think. So again, right now it's set up as a king bed, but it could be split up into 2 beds if you want. You can see Lake Travis. Here on this spot, we're at the highest hill point in this part of the Texas Hill Country. So we've got 360-degree views out of all the windows, which is pretty awesome. We've got a nice big bathroom here with double sinks. We've got another big bathtub and a shower with double shower heads and a nice big closet. In here, we've got another bedroom. This one has maximum capacity of 3 people. So we've got a single bed here. We've got It's set up as a king bed right now, but again, that could be split up into 2 beds if you want. Of course, the beautiful views out the windows there, and then ensuite bathroom. We've got a bunch more bedrooms to go down this hallway. Ensuite bathroom. Again, set up as a king-size bed, but could be split up for 2 people, 2 separate people. And this room's a mirror of the other one. So same layout, 2 beds, gorgeous views, ensuite bathroom here. And then these are a couple of our larger bedrooms. So this one's got capacity for 3 beds here. Again, it's got its own ensuite bathroom. There's a room here in the middle that is not technically designated as a bedroom, but it does have 2 beds in it. So this can be used as a bedroom, just doesn't have its own bathroom. So this room would need to share a bathroom. But if you want to add this as a bedroom, that would be the 12th bedroom on the property. And again, 3 beds here, ensuite bathroom. Right through here, we've got one of our biggest bedrooms. So this one has room for up to 6 people. Again, all these beds can be split up into singles or they can be put together like you see in Kings here. And we've got a nice big ensuite bathroom here and its own little deck looking out at the view that way. Now I'm gonna take you upstairs. This is the last bedroom in the main house. Also has capacity for 6 people. As you can see, we've got it set up where it would work for a couple right now, but it can also be split up completely and be more of a bunk room style setup. And of course has its own ensuite bathroom as well. And now we're gonna go outside for my favorite part, to the pool. Welcome to the outside. The sun is setting. We've got a fire pit over here. We've got a pool. We've got the hot tub. We've got 360-degree views and we're on 30 acres, so we have a lot of privacy. And that spaceship over there is the coolest sauna that I've ever seen, personally. When I was designing the backyard, I really wanted to make sure that you could see the view out of the sauna because it's so incredible. And I found this sauna, which is all glass, and the heater's in the center. So you get to sit around in a circle. It's great for groups, great for retreats, more of a sweat lodge kind of feeling. And you can see the view. And then we've got the cold plunge here, outdoor shower. Lots of comfy furniture. It's a beautiful space. We've had weddings here with up to 150 people. We've had all sorts of types of wellness retreats, people doing yoga outside, doing dance outside. It's really beautiful. So I'm excited to see what you want to create with it. And if you're ready to book something here, go ahead and click the link in my bio for more info.